नमस्कार दोस्तों. As today I am to introduce one person who is very close to me, who is my best friend even, and his name is Vikram ji. He is my good friend. He is standing here. Come here.
Hello guys.
Just to discuss with you.
Actually, we used to discuss in 2008,
2008.
In 2008, at that time, I met him, in American coaching. Really, since then and till now, we have been discussing with each other, and we improved a lot.
So we used to discuss a lot, and no any coaching has taught to us.
Really?
You taught me.
Only by self.
And I have taught to you. Not I don't know, but really I have learned many things from you. And just to meet with you, as after a long time we are meeting, so therefore I have fixed the mobile here, and the mobile will capture the things which we are discussing today. Okay, sit down. You can sit there.
There happened lot of changes. There was no any mustache on my face. There was hair.
Hairs also.
Density there was on my hair. Now I have become bald. Really, in 2008, you can imagine, guys.
Not 2008. In 2008 we met, but we kept on discussing, and up to 2013 even.
Yeah, but first time we met in 2008.
2008. It was the first meeting
in American coaching. Actually, downside there was one advocate office, so I used to type there, and I knew this thing that there is on the upside and there is a coaching, American coaching, and I had the knowledge. I have had the knowledge of English, because I was learning, and while working under the advocate, you can understand the guys that they have the very good command on the English.
Yeah, definitely.
So just I went there, and I found this guy, this Pushpan, and
I found him that place. Hey, what is here? Battery is running low. What bad thing has happened?
What?
Battery is running low, but there's no problem.
No problem.
Yeah, there's no
It
problem.
will capture.
It will capture. So what about this place?
Really?
After a
That
long
time,
period of time you have come here.
in 2008 to 2013, there was very less development, but now I can see really the houses are very developed and constructed houses.
Now I will tell you one thing. You see there. Actually I cannot show you because mobile is fixed. But there you can see. I will show you later. There you can see the pool.
Yeah.
Now the new pool is being constructed. And this is from the middle of the pond. In the middle of the pond,
Yeah.
it will be constructed, and this kind of development is
From
happening
where?
in the Gwalior.
From where it has started, that pool. Actually, 2 days back, somebody told me that this bridge will go up to this near Golpadia.
That
There is one
not
place
Golpadia. That is what is the place.
near
That
next to
Golpadia is
Golpadia.
here. Golpadia is here, and this is Sikandar Kampu. Imli Charvai? No, Charvai is not. Charvai is there.
Bagwai, what it is called, yaar?
But something is called
Bela ki Babadi or
Bela ki Babadi. Yes.
Bela ki Babadi?
Yes.
Really?
You're right. Bela ki Babadi.
Before Bela ki Babadi, there is one place, yaar. I was thinking about that. Okay, it will be up to Bela ki Babadi, yeah,
Bela ki
really.
Babadi.
Because it will connect to the highway, na.
Yes, it will connect to that.
There is a highway actually.
So this development is happening. And soon it will be constructed also.
And we'll be riding the vehicle, running the vehicle
As
on that
we
bridge.
used to discuss on the roof. So instead of discussing in the room, we have come on the roof, and I have fixed the mobile and discussing with you. Just because of that. Otherwise, I would have been.
This is an open area, and we can feel the wind, fresh air.
Fresh air also.
That's why we decided to discuss here on the terrace.
Yes.
Yeah.
Somebody is calling. Somebody is interrupting.
We can see there.
You can see.
Yeah.
I am not liking. If there might be problem in the video, I think it may be.
Not maybe.
Not?
Not at all.
Not at all.
Because, yeah, definitely. Because
We are new.
yeah, it is the app is working on its
Okay.
हाँ.
And Yeah, and you see the quality has also gone down. As before, it was looking bright. The screen was looking bright.
Because the battery is going down, na. You have not charged your mobile.
Yeah,
I
am
think
not charged. This is
just because of that.
might be.
You
Someone
know-
is calling me
Yeah, repeatedly.
repeatedly.
Repeat again and again and again. He's not repeating. Somebody must be in toilet also, yaar. Just wait. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, na. He will call you back, na. Why don't people think about this, yaar?
Why
Really?
don't? Really?
Still he's
Still he's calling.
Still he's calling.
I want to see some. There might be someone.
Yeah. Nobody is there.
Nobody is there, but might be. Today is Sunday,
Sunday.
and on Sunday I want to be free. But
Definitely.
people will not let me free. But really, I'm very happy to discuss with you.
I am also.
And after a long period.
Because just because of the, I have had the knowledge, but the fluency was not there. While discussing with you, really I got the fluency because if somebody has the knowledge is different, and talking is different of the language. If you have the knowledge, many people have the knowledge, but they can't speak.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, definitely. This is truth.
You got your haircut even today?
Yesterday I got it cut my hair.
On Saturday?
On Saturday, yes. There is no problem. Yeah, I never think about this. This Saturday, Sunday, or this is Thursday. People should not think. We come, we came here on this land. I mean, on the earth, on the earth. So there is no any day. Every day is our day.
No, that page is not seeming.
Until unless you press on the cross button, na, it will not go.
Will not go.
Just do that.
Really, yeah, the kind of disturbance I was not.
Yeah, now it has gone away. Really. It is actually work automatically.
Automatically. Automatically.
Automatically. Still, again he has called you.
Arey yaar, what should I do? I am discussing
Who
with
is this
my
guy? Really,
good friend.
Name, there will be name, na.
Don't tell the name.
Really, it will expose. Really. Because this video will be watching by many people, na. So and he must be one of them, na. So he will think really, he had made fun of me.
Yeah.
Really.
But good, people are remembering me.
Actually, guys, after a long time, after so many years, we have again started discussing with each other. Really, really, I will tell you one thing. Just while discussing, fluency definitely comes. It is truth. We cannot deny this thing.
Should I attend the call?
Yeah, definitely.
Because due to not having battery, I have fixed the mobile here.
Fix
So-
your mobile, and two things will happen. One, it will charge, and simultaneously we will make the video.
Will the voice be clear or not?
Voice is so much clear. It is clear.
Clear?
Definitely.
It will be crystal clear.
Crystal clear.
I was not able to pronunciate, but twice I thought, and then after I stopped this one.
Clear. As you have bought this mobile, really Motorola 5G, really for 19,000, it is 5G mobile, and the camera quality is so much good, really.
1 minute.
Camera quality is so much good. This is a rear camera, actually. It is called rear camera, na?
This is rear. I don't know. Is it
Rear, I think.
rear? What is rear?
Rear. This is the word for mobile only. Rear and front. This is rear is the back side camera, I think. This is front side camera.
I don't know, but this is a
Rear.
front side
Rear means
camera.
pichla.
Yeah.
Rear. And this is front side. That I am telling you, the front side camera quality is fantastic. I haven't seen this kind of quality in any mobile yet.
Yeah.
Really. That's why I got some, na?
I mean, more than this kind of.
Really. In my mobile also, I haven't got this kind of quality, na? This front camera quality.
Really, actually, I also bought the mobile of 20,000 rupees. It had no this kind of brightness, this kind of quality image. That is.
And it is, catching the voice also. That
We
sound.
are praising a lot. We are going. What are we doing? We are doing the advertisement of this phone. And, and they have not paid us
Did I
anything.
name? Did I name?
Really, we would have named. No,
Oh,
in
sorry.
the beginning,
forgot.
in the beginning, we have been advertising.
Advertising. No matter, yaar. There is no any, there should not be any problem why saying the name of the mobile which we have got, because
One of my friend is standing there. I have told him. So we are continuing. Today is Sunday, and I always.
Actually, I am an employed person, so I also got the time on Sunday, and that's why I came here, because he is my friend, oldest friend.
Your face is not coming.
Oldest friend.
You should stand here or you should sit here.
He is my oldest friend, and I on the Sunday I got the time, and I decided to come and to meet this guy because he is my oldest friend, and with whom I used to discuss the
You have
English
told this
language.
thing
Yeah.
when you are telling.
So-
They will tell you.
No, I will not forget this thing, na, because from where we met, so this thing is in a very I think cannot be forgotten.
It's cannot be forgotten. So I think we should stop this video.
Definitely.
Now we will enjoy something different. Now we will not eat or drink. We will.
You are not that type of person. I am also not that type of person. I am different. You are also different.
And we will talk something
I am fond
different.
of eating, different. I mean, a good thing, eatable thing only,
Eatable thing.
not intoxicative thing. You are also that kind of person. That's why we are friends, na?
So now I am closing.
That's why we are friends. You can press here.
You can also.